back to Simple Trends. Kitchen appliances, from the conservative mixer grinder to the progressive dishwasher, make our day-to-day kitchen chores easier. Airflow in kitchen is vital both for bringing in the positive aura and safety norms. A chimney bridges that to become an integral part of the kitchen. Most of our Indian cooking involves usage of spices and oil which generate a lot of smoke. The oil and grease can get stuck in between the filters, which not only decreases the efficiency of the chimney but also makes our cooking counter messier and dust prone. Many of us either outsource or put chimney cleaning to a later date, assuming it is a time-consuming task. If you have a manual chimney and are wondering how to clean and maintain them, this video will suggest you with simple and easy tips. Deep cleaning the chimney can be done easily with minimum efforts, and it is easy to maintain them. Let's get started. Cover your gas stove with newspaper, as there may be spills while we go about cleaning our chimney. Ensure to switch off and disconnect the chimney from the mains before you begin. Remove the filters carefully. As you see, my filters are coated with grease and dust, as I couldn't dedicate time to clean them for a couple of months. I am removing the light cover also, as it needs deep cleaning. Unscrew the filters to ensure we can clean them more efficiently. I am not going to use any harsh cleaners or caustic soda. If you are allergic to any detergent or cleaning liquids, it would be better to use gloves. Fill a tub with hot water and add a big scoop of any available detergent powder. Let's allow the filters to soak in this soap solution for 30 to 40 minutes. As they are soaking, we can clean the dust and grease that has accumulated on the top of the chimney. I have used Amway Zoom liquid. You may use any dishwash liquid or any other degreaser available. Alternatively, you can use a mixture of warm vinegar and a spoon of baking soda. With the help of a soft scrubber, apply the cleaning solution and allow it to sit for a few minutes. It is not advisable to use any hard scrubber, as it may leave scratches on the chimney. You can see the grease and dust cleaned without much efforts. Once the grease is removed, wipe with a wet sponge or cloth followed by a dry wipe. Now that I am done with exterior, I give a quick wipe to the fans and remove the light bulbs. In the meanwhile, our filters which have been soaking will be ready to clean. brush to clean them. These are easily available in the market. They make scrubbing easier. Once the scrubbing is over, rinse them with warm water to remove soap or grease residue. To ensure 100% grease removal, I use a regular dishwash liquid to clean the filters before I dry them. Forget to clean the sides of the wall around the chimney for any spills while cleaning. I have changed the LED bulbs as I wanted white light instead of the regular ones provided during purchase. To put back the light covers and filters and throw away the newspaper we used to cover the gas stove. You can see how my chimney is sparkling. Our health is guided by the food we take. A clean and sparkling workspace will multiply the effects. With the present lockdown restrictions, it is difficult to get professional cleaning services. I hope this video has been useful to you. See you all in another interesting video. To get updates on my latest videos, subscribe to Simple Trendz. Don't forget to smash the like button. Bye.